Okay, so your spell check is turned on. Now I want to show you some tips and tricks on spell checking. So let's say that I want to say I want a loonie. So if you're Canadian, you know that means a dollar. But this is just so you know how the spell check works. So it follows the US dictionary. And of course, that's not in there. So you could highlight it anywhere you want there, hit menu, and you could scroll up. Now I have a lot of stuff here because I test a lot of apps. You will not see this many, right? But you could say get suggestions. And it says Lonnie, because I've actually typed the word Lonnie before. If there was no suggestions, it wouldn't have any. So we don't want that. So maybe we want this word to actually add to our dictionary. Did you see that when I went up there a minute ago? We want to add to the dictionary. So now, anytime I type loony, it's not going to say that's the wrong word. Okay? So I'm going to end the sentence here. And I'll show you another tip. So let's say I'm sending an email to a friend. And I don't really care too much about spelling, but I'm just going to do up a quick sentence with some obvious spelling mistakes. Okay, you see a problem with that sentence, right? So you could go through each individually, but another way is to send it, menu, send, and it actually will go through the spell check. I usually use it like this. Let's go is the word I want, for is the word I want, lunch is the word I want, and Friday. And then it says, okay, spell check complete, send message. You can say yes. I'm going to go back in again, and I just want to show you one other quick tip. So let's say I type, I want to say, I am going to human resources, HR. HR. Now watch what happens here. As soon as I hit the space, it says hour. Well, if I work in HR, that's not good. So I want to go back, and I hit menu, edit auto text, which is also word substitution. You learned that in the prior lesson. So this is another way to go in and add your own acronyms to be words. So if I wanted to change HR, I would just go into here, go find hour, hit menu, edit, and say when I type HR, I want it to say human resources. Escape and save. And those are some awesome tips for spell check, adding to dictionary, and auto text.